Good morning, students. Once more time, I am here to continue the class for chapter Reconstitution of Partnership Firm. Today, we are going to deal with an interesting topic, that is goodwill. How it affects the admission of partner, or how it is involved or concerned with admission of a partner case. So, we have discussed previously regarding all these points in previous slides, in previous video. Meaning of constitution of partnership means change in the agreement. Mode of reconstitution of partnership firm means admission or retirement or death or change in profits concerned leads to change in the agreement. Meaning of admission of partner: when new partner admit into the firm, it leads to admission of partner. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. These we have already done in previous session. Today we are dealing with goodwill in case of admission of partner. As we all know, students, profit is the main aspect of every business, and behind the profit, reputation and brand building, as well as the capacity of building the reputation tends to an important, which has its value, that is known as goodwill. So goodwill is an intangible asset. Goodwill is the value of reputation of firm built over the time with respect to the expected future profit over and above the normal profit. In admission chapter, what's the goodwill means when new partner join the firm now, he has to bring capital as well as goodwill part, because for enjoying the assets or profit they have to bring capital as well as goodwill. So I have written new partner join the firm, he will enjoy the goodwill as a profit, and old partner will sacrifice the profit part, because new partner join to the firm, and old partner, when they make new partner to join, they have to sacrifice their profit part, because they have to share the profit part, so they will get less profit as concerned. So a new partner has to be asked that you have to bring new in the new firm a goodwill part. मीन्स जब भी नए फर्म में कोई भी पार्टनर ज्वाइन करता है तो उसको एक कैपिटल के साथ गुडविल का अमाउंट एडिशनल लाने को बोला जाता है, क्योंकि पुराने पार्टनर गुडविल रेपुटेशन बनाए रहते हैं फर्म को, जिसके कारण कंटिन्यूएशन में प्रॉफिट आता रहता है बिजनेस को. उस कंटिन्यूएशन प्रॉफिट को एंजॉय कौन कर पाएगा? नए फर्म का नया पार्टनर. सो नए पार्टनर का एफर्ट, सपोज 5 ईयर के बाद वो नया पार्टनर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं तो 5 साल तक ए और बी ने एफर्ट मारा. मतलब brand building as well as goodwill has been made by the old partners. So new partner will going to enjoy the profit part in continuation. So he has to be more giving effort, or I can say he has to bring goodwill part or profit part as a introduction part, as the amount introduced in the business. So he has to bring new capital as well as goodwill amount along with him. In next video in next slide I have shown admission of a partner. In this slide you can see A and B are the partner in a firm, that is A plus B is equal to firm, so they were doing the business. If C join the firm, C has to bring capital amount as well as goodwill amount. At the time of, if C join the firm, then he has to bring capital amount as well as goodwill amount at the joining of partner in the firm. So new firm will be A, B, C is equal to firm. So in this part we have to remember goodwill amount which is brought by the new partner has to be transferred to the old partner in which ratio? Sacrificing ratio, as we have already discussed, and this ratio is concerned with old partner. Now students, I have made the particular thing in front of you. On occasion of on what occasion sacrificing ratio is used. हम sacrificing ratio का यूज कहाँ करेंगे? जो हम बोलते हैं ना, sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. In previous slide you have seen. So where it is going to be used, जो भी goodwill नया पार्टनर लेके आता है वो goodwill पुराने पार्टनर को मिलता है, क्योंकि वो sacrifice करेंगे प्रॉफिट. उस sacrifice प्रॉफिट को हम कैसे उन दोनों पार्टनर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, उसके लिए सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो की जरूरत पड़ेगी. जैसे कि व्हेन न्यू पार्टनर इज एडमिटेड इन द पार्टनरशिप फर्म, द अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल ही हैज़ टू ब्रॉड एंड ट्रांसफर अमंग्स द ओल्ड पार्टनर इन सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. आई हैव शोन ए बी पहले पार्टनर थे, ओल्ड पार्टनर थे. सी ज्वाइन किया, सी को क्या क्या लाना है? कैपिटल अमाउंट भी लाना है और गुडविल अमाउंट. सपोज सी लेके आता है 1 लाख रुपये, 1 लाख रुपीज़ ही ब्रिंग कैपिटल एंड गुडविल ही ब्रिंग 20,000. तो टोटल अमाउंट ही इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग 1,20,000 in the firm. But this goodwill amount is not the capital, it is going to be डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग्स दी सेक्रीफाइस पार्टनर, क्योंकि ये रेपुटेशन बनाए थे फर्म का 5 साल तक. 6वें साल अगर सी ज्वाइन करता है तो 6th ईयर में ज्वाइन कर रहा है, तो 5 साल का बेनिफिट और गुडविल किसने बनाया, ए और बी ने. सो वी हैव टू सी दिस 20,000 is going to be distributed among A and B, which is brought by the C. This distribution has to be done in which ratio? Sacrificing, means 20,000 has to be distributed in this ratio, sacrificing ratio. So as you can see, journal entry, when new partner bring capital amount and goodwill amount. So I have written capital cash account debit to new partners capital account to premium for goodwill. बच्चों, new partner means Mr. C. Mr. C. C is bringing 1 lakh capital and 20,000, 1 lakh capital and 20,000 goodwill as we have written, and total cash he has brought 1,20,000. So cash account debit, क्योंकि फर्म में कैश आ रहा है 1,20,000, नया पार्टनर ला रहा है करके 1 lakh, and premium for goodwill additional amount he is bringing, that is 20,000. Now this 20,000 is going to be distributed among whom? A and B. So premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner capital. So I will write to A's capital to B's capital. Here I will write premium for goodwill amount, that is how much he has brought, 20,000, which is going to be distributed among all two partners who sacrifice. So according to that we have to jot down the journal entry. You have to read this and you have to recall all these things. Okay student, now I am putting one example in front of you. Verma and Sharma are the partner in a firm. Their sharing ratio is 5:3. They admitted Ghosh as a new partner, 1/5 part. Ghosh is bringing 20,000 capital, means घोष नया पार्टनर है, वो 20,000 कैपिटल लेके आ रहा है, एज वेल एज 4,000 एज गुडविल, और 4,000 रुपये गुडविल के फॉर्म में अमाउंट ला रहे हैं. सो हाउ टू पास दी जनरल एंट्री? सो कैश हैज़ बिन ब्रॉट, total amount 20,000 and 4,000, that is 24,000. Ghosh capital form he is bringing 20,000, and in goodwill form he is bringing 4,000. So this is the general entry, cash account debit to Ghosh capital to premium for goodwill. Now this goodwill is going to be distributed among whom? Is going to be distributed among the old partner, because they are sacrificing the profit part because of new partners entry. So goodwill is going to be distributed among old partners. In which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. As students, you can see the working note for sacrificing ratio, how to calculate. You can see this, and you can see sacrificing ratio of Verma and Sharma is coming 5:3, which I have shown that goodwill amount is brought by new partner is to be distributed among sacrificing ratio in sacrificing ratio amongst the sacrifice partner. So Verma 4,000 into 5/8 is equal to 2,500. 5:3 sacrificing. So 4,000 amount has been brought by Ghosh as a goodwill part. So this will going to be distributed among Sharma and Verma. So I have shown this, है ना. So students, as you can see, I have written, firstly I have calculated the new profit sharing ratio, and then I have calculated sacrificing ratio, because for calculating sacrificing ratio you need old ratio and new ratio. So students, today we have covered the goodwill portion concerned, how to pass the journal entry concerned with goodwill, as well as one numerical concern. So best wishes student, be safe, be at home, and work hard for your studies. Thank you students.